You may feel lightheaded for a variety of reasons, such as anxiety or a reaction to medication. But dizziness may be a symptom of an underlying medical issue. Treatment of dizziness depends on the cause and your symptoms. It's usually effective, but the problem may recur. Dizziness is a phrase used to express a variety of feelings, including faintness, wooziness, weakness, or unsteadiness. Vertigo is dizziness that gives you the false impression that you or your environment are spinning. Healthcare providers describe dizziness as having impaired or disturbed spatial orientation. Dizziness happens when something affects your sense of balance. A constant flow of information from your ears, eyes, tissues, and central nervous system is necessary for a stable sense of balance. Your body receives instructions on how to maintain equilibrium from your central nervous system using this data. Your central nervous system may process information wrongly when something interrupts the flow, making you feel shaky and dizzy. You could feel lightheaded due to inner ear issues, neurological diseases, drugs, or even stress. Other widespread causes: the following ailments and other problems might make you feel lightheaded. 1. Stress and worry. If you hyperventilate due to stress or anxiety, 2. You could experience dizziness from carbon monoxide. For example, inhaling smoke that comes from burning coal, wood, motor vehicle fuel, or household appliances. Carbon monoxide poisoning makes you queasy. 3. Dehydration. A sign of extreme dehydration is dizziness. 4. Hypoglycemia, a state of low blood sugar. An indication of hypoglycemia is sudden dizziness. 5. Medications. Taking blood pressure medicine frequently makes you queasy and getting dizzy. 6. You may become woozy and lose your equilibrium if you have motion sickness. Dizziness can be felt as a variety of different experiences, such as the following: a fictitious feeling of movement and spinning or vertigo, a sense of faintness or dizziness, being unsteady or off balance, a sensation of weightlessness, wooziness, or floating. Walking, standing up, or moving your head may cause these emotions to appear or become worse. You might feel sick along with your dizziness, or it could come on suddenly or be so strong that you need to sit or lie down. The event could last just a few seconds or for several days. If you have sudden, severe vertigo or dizziness coupled with any of the following, get emergency medical attention right away. An unexpectedly bad headache. Chest discomfort. Having trouble breathing. Arms or legs that are numb or paralyzed. Fainting. Dual perception. Irregular or fast heartbeat. Slurred or confused speech. Stumbles or has trouble walking. Persistent vomiting. Seizures. Unexpected hearing changes, facial numbness or paralysis. Treatment of dizziness depends on the cause and your symptoms. It's usually effective, but the problem may recur when something affects your sense of balance. So, take good care of your health.